Mi nombre es Isa Rodríguez, soy una de las enlaces familiares aquí en la escuela Hoover. Estoy aquí para ayudarles con cualquier pregunta que tengan sobre la escuela. Mi oficina se ubica en el salón B20 en la oficina de consejería. Por favor, si tienen una pregunta, no duden en comunicarse conmigo a través de mi correo electrónico o mi celular.
Hello， 大家好，我係 Sherman， 咁係 Hoover 學校嘅其中一位家庭聯絡員。咁我工作啦就主要係負責安排學校嘅一啲家庭講座啊、家長會議咁嘅。咁我個辦公室咧喺 B20， 咁你哋亦都可以通過電話、email 或者係微信去聯繫我啦。咁我亦都負責3個年級嘅家長群組嘅。咁如果你有咩問題嘅話，都可以喺群組嗰度發信息俾我。咁係咯，可以希望之後可以喺我哋舉行嘅網上啦，同埋現場嘅嗰種學校活動見到大家，多謝。
Hi everyone, my name is Reggie Valenzuela and I'm Hoover's Beacon Director. So what I do with the Beacon and what we offer for our Hoover community is that we provide out-of-school time support, and that is inclusive of our lunchtime programming. So we offer a variety of lunchtime clubs in coordination with our school day staff and Beacon staff, and we also offer our after-school program as well. And those typically begin at the end of the school day. Another part of our Beacon here at Hoover is that we collaborate with our counseling department to coordinate our behavior and health wellness components for our school. So that may include one-on-one therapy, case management, and resources for our students and families. And then I also oversee family engagement, and so I work with Ms. Sherman and Ms. Isa to help develop our workshop calendar for the school year, and to also put on events for our families, and to also provide services for our families as well. And lastly, I help oversee the transitions from 5th grade to 6th grade from our feeder schools, and then for our outgoing 8th graders going into 9th grade as well. And so if you do have any questions, please see me here in our lovely office in A24, located on the 2nd floor of the A building, right above the main office. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to stop by. Thank you.